Hello, everybody. My name is Albert Corey, and the world knows me as the Taxman. Today, I'd like to welcome to a special edition of the Fast class. So today, I'm going to show you some simple tips you can start saving money on your tax returns. They're all simple and easy, and you can do almost instantly. So the first tip I'm going to teach you right now is make sure you know the dates. Because if you file late to the IRS, they're going to charge you a whole bunch of late charges. So now I want you to pick up your cell phone and go to the part on your phone that has a calendar. So the 3 dates you must know. First date is January 7th. So on January 7th, I want you to put in the phone that you're going to call your accountant and ask for an extension. So an extension does is that since business returns are due on March 15th, it's going to give you more time to file. Now it's going to give you to September 15th. The second date you're going to have to know is July 5th. Because on July 5th, you're going to put a note to make sure you're going to call your accountant to make sure he has time. Make sure you have all your bookkeeping done. And obviously, the third thing is make sure you get it done by September 15th so you don't get whacked and charged extra money. So as a special gift of coming on this Fast Acts class, I got some amazing gifts I want to give you. It's going to be the 3 top tax tips that are going to start saving your money instantly. All you have to go to is taxmanprofits.com. And you'll be able to download your 3 top tax tips almost instantly. Thank you.